Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a Pixton comic. As you can see, I have my first comic here, and you can be able to create your characters here. It's a new update basically. These are the characters that I made so far. I want you guys to rate it basically. So basically, if you want to make a new character, just click this button, and you'll have to pick within the age. Just click whatever gender you want. You're gonna go with the skin tone, and then the hair color, hairstyle, a bunch of stuff, right? So this is how you can be able to make your own character, right? So as you can see, I made a random one. So let's see it. So this is me right here. As you can see, if you want to create a comic, you can create now. And I heard about the Pixton update that you can be able to like use a story starter, but I'm going to show you guys how to make my comic. Right? So it's basically the first day of school to madness. Basically, I'm currently creating this comic. You got your background. You can change your scene here to wherever you want, like this. You can change a music man or a party. It's gonna load soon. Anyways, you can also change your abstract as well. You can change your right. You can fast forward a bunch of stuff. Weather. You can change your weather as well as your photo. Hold on one sec.
Boy, if you don't.
But fellas, once again, you can be able to change your scene. Alright, we're back to this one. My bad. Yes, so you can change your scene, your background, and anything. You can add characters in your comic. I have basically 6 characters so far. You can add the expressions, as you can see here. So to add a character, now you want to add a character, you can also add a tune, which is basically like a furry or a cat or a lion. These are animals. If you're gonna add a tune, right? You can edit it from there too, if you want. Right? As you can see, you can add your color, your age, and the eyes. Oh yeah, and you can also change the adults too. The age, if you could change the age, however, it's gonna make them like taller, I believe. Yeah, it's true. You can change the eyes too. As you can see, this is my example, but we're not gonna use it in my comic, right? So basically, that's how you add a tune, and this is how you're gonna add a person. You can click one of these, and it'll just generate one, but you're gonna have to edit its hair and its skin color, basically, and so on, right? You can also add real persons here, Donald Trump, etc. Right? You can see everyone's here. You can also add a literary character, which is of course an invention, and these are my friends as well. You can also add creatures. Actually, you can add chickens. You can add anything, any animals. So as you can see, Pixton has updated a lot in this thing, right? Ever since I haven't been creating my comics here, it has been updated a lot. But anyways, you got objects here. You can change the object of someone. Like example, right? This is Josiah. He's holding a phone right now. So how did I do that? Now the main thing is that you have to go to objects, go to handheld props, and you click whichever hand you want to put. Right. There are many stuff here that you can search on. You can harpoon even. But I chose the phone because yes, he's contacting with the phone. Alright. Got props here as well. You can a chicken, a doll. Many things, right? And you also change the graphics as well. Basically what this does is that it basically turns it like this. It adds a bunch of stuff, extra stuff, basically, as you can see, right? When it comes to the focus, we got regular here. You can change the because it's the regular focus, you can change the kinds of focus between the two characters. Alright, so this is an example here, right? It is. However, we're supposed to be, it's like this. Alright, next is dramatic. You can also change it like this, like this. It's like a fighting scene. You can imagine a fighting scene. Ugh, even I just repeat that. Funny, right? But look at this. You can also make a fighting scenes. You can also like do this, right? So that's like what you can do with focus. Anyways, we got a location. You can also choose where you want your school to be located. You can use this, and this, and this. These are basically the outside cancel location. You also got words, speech. You can change the words of the speech. It can be a thought as well as shout or a whisper, right? You can also add a caption. But basically, it does is like it's like this. You can actually add one caption that's above here and one below. But this one I chose this one because it's centralized, and you can change the background also, right? So here, I got an example. Hold on, let me see. I also got a caption. You can change the background here. You can choose anything. Oh yeah, and also the background is part of abstract, so you don't have to choose from abstract too. Fair enough. Anyways, we got sounds as well. It's been a while since I haven't used the sounds too, so let's try it out. It doesn't really play a sound, but what it basically does is that it doesn't show a sound basically. What it does is that it just basically like an action to describe the sound. Right? Got expression as well. Let's do it here. There are plenty of expressions here. Just by searching, you can be able to like get enough expressions. You can get tired, you can get happy, you can get sad, any kind of expression in Pixton. You can also use the eye direction as well, right? The way you face someone, so you can face your friend or face to another person else. So you change the direction, their eye direction. Next, you got actions as well. Actions are basically responsible for like the way you're doing an action. Basically, you stand, you're laying down. Oh yeah, you're laying down basically like this. There's an example here. These are two actions that I made. The principal and my friend here, Malik, good friends. So I made these kinds of actions where this guy is pulling up the guy, or my friend basically. Yeah, as you can see. And then you also got effects as well. Basically, you can change how the character looks. And this is very useful, especially when you're fighting, right? When you're fighting for when you're fighting against someone, you can use these kinds of effects. So, I'll give you guys an example. So this basically powers up. Yeah, look at him. It powers him up. Right? That's an example, a prime example. What this does is that it full screens your work. You can't see much here because of course it's full screen. But yes, you can also search here for the help center. And yeah, that's basically it. And when you're done with making a Pixton, or basically when you're done making a Pixton comic, you can change the coloring. And I noticed something, because like this is also new to the update. You can actually do a voiceover, right? You can do a voiceover. Next, you can of course download it. You can download it, you can print it, and you can share it. Alright? Oh no. Apparently, sharing requires subscriptions, so I might not really. So it's fine. Anyways, so that's how you make a comic basically in Pixton. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's a simple video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys later on. Peace out.